What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got some news in that whales still see the potential in Shiba Inu. So let's take a look at this article. First things first, make sure y'all hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new. Shiba Inu is not done, y'all. We are just in a bear market. We got macroeconomic conditions, bigger factors that are playing out in the whole world that are weighing on the crypto market right now. But when these factors weigh off or they start to wind down, Shiba Inu is going to be hot again, especially as we see the rest of the crypto market pick up. Imagine where Shiba Inu is going to be when Bitcoin is at 100K per Bitcoin. So let's take a look at this. Major Bitcoin whale acquires over 800 billion SHIB amid bear market plunge in Shiba Inu price. So the US-based trading platform Robinhood, owner of the third largest Bitcoin wallet and fifth largest Ethereum holder, y'all, has significantly increased its Shiba Inu holdings by over 800 billion tokens, despite the native token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem trading in the red zone. On August 31st, the crypto data tracking platform Arkham Intelligence identified Robinhood as the fifth largest holder of Ethereum and also revealed that it holds 34 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, equivalent to approximately $279.85 million, based on the prevailing market price at the time. However, while investors were disheartened by the broader downturn in the cryptocurrency industry, many seized the opportunity presented by the price drop to bolster their portfolios. Between August 31st and September 13th, Robinhood's hot wallets experienced an influx of SHIB tokens, specifically 877 billion. So they still have been loading up, y'all. Even after the initial amount we seen them start accumulating, they still been getting even more SHIB tokens. You have to think about, what does that mean? That means they are bullish. They are buying this in anticipation of maybe more of their customers seeking Shiba Inu as an investment, or they're just bullish on it themselves and want to make some money as an exchange on Shiba Inu. So this indicates Robinhood witnessed a 2.5% increase in SHIB holdings, raising them from the previous 34.086 trillion to 34.936 trillion as of the current date. So they added an additional 8.02 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The reason for the surge in the inflow of SHIB tokens, and that's an additional 8 trillion Shiba Inu tokens since we last talked about them buying more Shiba Inu last week. So the reason for the surge in the inflow of SHIB tokens into the brokerage firm remains unknown. However, it's noteworthy, especially given the current decline in the price of Shiba Inu, as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the broader cryptocurrency market. So I know it can be hard right now, especially seeing prices continue to pull back, y'all. It can be boring, it can be exhausting, but let me just tell y'all, this is how crypto works. As soon as everybody's shaking themselves out, everybody done sold it. Not every single person, but most of the people who, are just in it for short term, once most of these people shake themselves off, you're going to start seeing the markets begin to shoot up again. It's a matter of time. Whether it takes 6 months from now for the bull market to return, whether it takes, a year, 2 years, the bull market will eventually return. This is why you should look at this as investing. You put money to the side that you probably would have wasted other places, and you allow that money to accumulate these tokens or coins, whatever it is that you're buying, stocks, and you continue to accumulate until you're comfortable with the amount you hold, or just continue until the bull market returns. Now, it's not saying you have to just, because I see a lot of people stressing themselves out that they can't afford to buy the dip every single time. You don't have to do that. When you get the opportunity to, just continue to DCA, dollar cost average. You don't have to do it every day, every week. You don't even have to buy every month. Just when you get the opportunity to buy, you should be, putting some money that you would have wasted into your investments and just give it time. You should be looking at this pot of money that you're putting into your investments as an investment. That means it could take up to years for you to see what you want to see from these investments. Why? Because that's what it is. It's an investment. It has to mature and slowly grow through, utilities and technologies, and just by, the projects adding value. That's how the projects get bigger. And that takes time. That doesn't happen in 6 weeks. Think about it on a business side of things. You wouldn't invest into a business and expect the next month or two for a brand new business to be able to give you, ridiculous returns. Even if it was the first year in business, you probably wouldn't expect that business to give you a significant return. You probably would be looking at that business like, okay, I'm giving you this loan, for 2 to 3 years. You should be able to build up by that time, to get to some point that, you can start to give me some returns back from this. That's how you got to look at it when it comes to investing. You got to really understand, do you believe in Shiba Inu? Because I'm seeing a lot of FUD going on right now of people who are in the SHIB army, but because things aren't playing out as fast as they want, I'm seeing them, start to kick up even more FUD. Don't get me wrong, I'm not just, a shield for the team. I see what people want, which is we all want this. We want burns. We want more burns to take place. But what I'm aware of and what I want everybody else to know is that the team doesn't own Shiba Inu tokens, a percentage of the supply where they can just automatically burn these tokens. They can't just say, hey, we have 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens that are team tokens. Now we're going to burn these. That's not the case. They don't have those. Now, what they should be doing, what, we know that has happened is throughout these different developments in the SHIB ecosystem, the card game, the Wellies partnership, John Richmond partnership, all the NFTs, all the things that have been developed by the devs in the ecosystem. We are looking for, what's going on with these burns. Obviously the money probably isn't that much that would do anything significant to the supply, but we do want to see what's going on with these burns, where, what's going on with the money of projects that should have already started, burning. I'm not sure if they already burnt it, but the team isn't too clear on keeping us informed with what's happening on that side. But when it comes to Shibarium burns, the team tells us they're working on the burn portal. We know that before we can initiate the burn on Shibarium, we have to reach 25,000 in bone, which is a very long way away. And, I know a lot of people from the community want the burn rate increase. Me personally, I would, from the short side of things, I would like the burn rate increase, but we really do need to understand how that can affect things going forward. Because with the prices being extremely cheap, with the transactions being extremely fast, this could attract a lot of people to want to develop and build on top of Shibarium. So we do have a very, very low barrier to entry with what the team brought forward with Shibarium as of now. But I do think that it should be a DAO vote if moving forward we should raise the burn rate. Now, this would be a question that's posed on the DAO where people with Shiba Inu and Bone tokens can, use those tokens to place their vote. Not saying you have to spend them, but, just showing that you are a part of the community. And that's how we should determine whether or not the burn fee is increased. So those are some of the things I'm seeing talked about right now in the SHIB ecosystem from some of the community members. And I just want to get my, my part on that. But we got to get this time, y'all. Is Shiba Inu a short-term or long-term investment for you? Drop that in the comment section. Let me know. So on August 10th, Robinhood held only 20 trillion SHIB tokens, equivalent to approximately 197.40 million. Just 35 days later, its Shiba Inu portfolio has grown to 34.963 trillion, representing a remarkable 74.8% increase. So here's a screenshot of Arkham Intelligence speaking on that. The surge is compelling, especially considering that the Shiba Inu ecosystem has been the target of a focused fear, uncertainties, and doubt attack over the past week, both before and after the launch of its Layer 2 scalability solution, Shibarium. It's intriguing to witness such a strategic move during a bear market, said Lucy Shib, a marketing specialist for the Shiba Inu ecosystem and Shibarium Tech, who uses the handle Lucy Shib. When speaking to IBT, this demonstrates confidence and faith in the potential of SHIB. It will be fascinating to observe how the accumulation impacts the market dynamics and the future of SHIB. Exciting times lie ahead for the crypto community, the market executive added. So this was as of 12:39 Eastern Time on Wednesday. SHIB trading at 507287 with the 24-hour trading volume down by 18% at 82.3 million. Shiba Inu trading volume under 100 million. That just shows you a lot of money is leaving the market. There's not as much liquidity in it as it was, in previous times. But it's a cycle, y'all. The money leaves and it comes back. You're only hurting yourself if you decide to leave while the market is down. Now, obviously, if you're in a financial bind, a situation where you need the money, whatever, that's different. But you should not be putting in more than you're willing to lose, or you shouldn't be putting in money that you're going to need in the near future. Only put in money that you can basically forget about and say that it's gone, so that way you won't put yourself in a tight situation and need to end up selling your assets too soon. Now, you can sell it whenever you want. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but I'm just telling y'all, I'm seeing a lot of people, get tricked out of their spots right now, and the bull market will return. That's what you must remember. So let's check out the overall crypto market prices right now. Let's see where the market cap is sitting at. We got overall crypto market cap at $1.04 trillion, up 0.32% in the last 24 hours, basically trading sideways. Like I said, the markets will exhaust investors. It will try to exhaust as many people as possible to shake them down to the ground. But Bitcoin 26,247, Ethereum 1624, BNB 212, XRP 48 cent, Cardano 24 cent, Doge at 6 cents, Solana 1911, Tron at 8 cent, Timecoin 192, DOT at 404, Matic at 52 cents, Litecoin at 62.54, and Shiba Inu at 16th place by market cap. So we reclaimed, that 16th place. We dropped down to 17th place yesterday. So you see, we're basically just bouncing around back and forth. This is why you should not let the short-term fluctuations get you. Check up your, and I'm saying you can't keep an eye on the market daily, but worry about it, quarterly as far as what the price is doing. Every 6 months, per year, just for those that, can't seem to take their emotions out of it, that might be a better strategy for you to just, focus on bigger time frames. So Shiba Inu at 507305, up 1.3% in the last 24 hours, down 4.9% in the last week, with a market cap of $4.3 billion and $78 million in volume in the last 24 hours. So y'all know we got to check out Bone as well. Shiba Inu is performing just like the rest of the market, y'all. This is not a isolated incident for Shiba Inu alone. The rest of the market is dragging down also, y'all. You got to keep that in mind. So Bone right now, 82 cent, down 1% in the last 24 hours. Volume down 36%, 4.2 million. And leash, and also keep in mind, y'all, FTX has just been approved to sell around, I think, $70 billion, or is it $7 billion? Let me check this. I'm gonna check it real quick on this stream or on this video. So we see Doge Killer Leash going down as we speak at 308, down 2.19% in the last 24 hours, with a volume down 27% at 696 million. So let's take a look at this FTX article real quick. So judge allows FTX to sell its crypto holdings, including Bitcoin and Solana. So one good thing is Shiba Inu is not on that list. I believe they already liquidated all their SHIB, but this selling is going to bring the rest of the market down. So let's see how much total they're going to be able to sell. So it looks like around, I see 3.4 right there, 3.4 billion, but I seen a higher number on another article. So bankrupt FTX gives permission to liquidate crypto assets. So FTX previously said in the bankruptcy court filings that its digital assets such as Solana, Bitcoin, and Ether, its three biggest holding, amount to 3.4 billion. The crypto exchange filed for, so it might be around 7 billion total. So those top three coins, they have around 3 point something billion, but I think out of everything they hold, it might be $7 billion. So $7 billion is likely to leave the crypto market real soon. So keep that in mind as well. So let's go back to coin market cap. So we're sitting at 1.04 trillion right now. So another 7 billion, leaves is definitely going to put a dent and pull us under that $1 trillion market cap in crypto. So y'all just hold on. Things could get shaky, but guess what? I wouldn't be worried, y'all. If you are in this for the long term, it's nothing to be worried about. Obviously, markets go up and markets go down. So just keep that in mind. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.